Hi students, good morning. It's Thursday at about 12:30. And I just wanted to show you three things and explain them to you. So a couple of students have called me and texted me um, to say that in their essay packet, right, that most students got before we left, um, the introduction has some, it's different from the introduction assignment on Google Classroom right now. This is what the assignment in Google Classroom looks like, right? And it looks different from the one in your packet. And you're right, it does look different. The reason why this packet looks different is because remember the studies that you did about difference at Oakland International? Where you measure different ways that students are treated differently at our school. We were going to use that information in our introduction, but because I am far away and it's something that you haven't done before, I decided to take that part out of the introduction to make it a little bit easier because I think it's already difficult enough to write and practice writing an essay from far away. So the introduction that I'm asking you to write is a basic, regular introduction, just like the one that we wrote last semester about Junior and the Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian. So if you go to the mainstream page, yesterday I posted, it's not an assignment, but it's something to help you. I posted some example introductions. Maybe one of them is yours, written by students last semester. I chose three good ones. And if you click on it, it says example introductions, right? They're by students. If you click on it, you will see three introductions that are different, and each part of the introduction is in a different color. So you can kind of just read the examples and maybe some ideas will come back to you about how to do this for your essay about wonder. So there's that, okay? And there's three different examples here of three different introductions, okay? And then some of you will have noticed I've started to do these check-ins, right? And they're kind of like a chance to write a journal entry. You can spell words wrong. I don't care. You can even use some curse words. I don't care. I just want you to write and think about what you're saying because it's good practice. And each day I'm going to ask you to practice making a schedule for yourself. If you do this work late in the day, you could make it your schedule for the next day. That's fine too. And I made an example schedule. Keep it pretty basic and easy, and be honest about what you want to do, what you plan to do in that day. Now that we're not at school anymore and we're at home, and when you're at school, you have this schedule, right? You have each hour is planned out for you by someone else. And now that you're at home, it's really important that you guys get into the habit of making a schedule for yourself. And really, you should be doing it every day. I like to do mine in actually a little book. The one that I posted on here on Google Classroom as an example is on Google Docs, but you can see over here, right? I made an example of my schedule on Google Docs, and you can make your schedule on Google Docs too. That's fine, and you can upload it upload one to the Google form. There's a place that you can upload your schedule, or you can also take a photo. If you like to do yours on paper, you can make a schedule on paper and you could take a photo and upload it to that Google form also. That's fine too. And maybe the first time you do it, it will be a little hard to do, and then it will get easier. I want it to be a habit that we practice. And I think that's really it for now. I've seen some amazing work. Students are doing really great work with a lot of different volunteers. There are now 10 volunteers and newcomer assistants working, and me working with many different students. As always, you can come and Zoom with me any day of the week except for not Monday, because that's when the team of 10 people working on Wonder, that's when we meet. We Zoom at 2:00 on Mondays. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, any day at 2, you can always come and ask me any question you want. Or you can always text me. I'm usually pretty quick about answering text messages. Okay? And bye for now. I miss all of you.